Welcome to this chapter 15 snippet. We're basically just going to review the investments in equity. We're going to talk about really quick the significant influence, controlling influence. The significant influence is from 0 to 20%. We're going to use the fair value method, very similar to the trading securities. Significant influence is 20% of the stock to 50% of the stock ownership. And we're going to use the equity method, basically any kind of net income. We're going to take the percent owned and multiply it by the net income and pull it over into our investment. And then any dividends will be a return on our investment, return of our investment, excuse me. And then controlling method, we're going to use the consolidation method. We didn't go over that specifically, but that's more than 50% of ownership of the stock. And then the other slide we're going to go over on this one here is just a reminder of this last this slide here. To print this off, to have this with you, whatever, but go through each one of these stocks and debt and how we report it, if it's short-term versus long-term, things like that. So please, this is one that I want you to make sure you have and know about, so make sure you have that on there. And, you know, since we're doing this anyway, let's go ahead and I'm going to get you to the different categories of our trading securities. Excuse me, our debt, I mean. Give me another second to get there. Okay, this slide here. No, not this slide here, sorry. Classifications and reporting. This is what I wanted, okay? So our debt investments are held to maturity, trading, and available for sale. Held to maturity is if management intends on holding it until it matures. Trading, management's intent is to actively manage it, actively trade it. And then available for sale is anything that doesn't fit in those two sections, okay? And then that slide prior to this, the one I was talking about prior to this, is the one that will tell you how to account for these. And then here, equity investments, we already did the 20% and under or insignificant influence, 20% to 50% significant influence, and anything over 50% is controlling. You know, other than the journal entries, which you'll get practice on in the homework, this is really the only snippet information I think that's relevant for this chapter. So, but if you have any questions or any other ideas, let me know. We'll see you in the other videos.